Today we're going to be going over how you can start investing in Lego and what you can expect the budget to be to start with. So when I started investing in Lego, I had about $50 and I bought a set very similar to this one. This is the Lego Anakin's Podracer set, but I bought a set about this size. It was a Jedi Interceptor set. I think it was Anakin's Jedi Interceptor, and it turned out to do quite well. I wish I had bought more of them, but it turned out to be a great investment. And then I also decided to buy, at about the same time, a set about this size, and with these kind of metrics, a Lego Star Wars Battle Pack. So I first just went all in on these two Lego Star Wars sets, and they turned out to do well, and I was able to make some profit and kept cycling that money back into the Lego investing business. I was able to help grow it, and I decided on these two sets mainly because I didn't have a huge budget. I had about $50, and for the two of them, I think I got each of them on sale, which was a good decision there. But I was able to start investing in Lego. Great way to start. But there's a variety of different price points you can start investing in with Lego. Like I mentioned, I started with about $50, but you can start even with a smaller budget. If you want to just buy a really small set like this Lego City set, this one was like $5, I think, so it was a really cheap one, and it is now worth, I think, like 9 or 10, or 8 to 10, something like that. So it's done quite well, and that's still only a $5 profit, but you started off, you were still able to double your original investment, which is pretty good for a little $5 investment. So there's a variety of different great price points you can start investing in Lego. Generally, I would recommend sticking with some specific themes. I would recommend starting off with just the Lego Star Wars sets. You could, of course, there are some Lego City sets that do well like that one, but generally Lego Star Wars sets are a more predictable, reliable investment and end up performing well in the long run. I've only had one Lego Star Wars set that has actually gone down in value, and I've had hundreds that have actually gone up in value by varying rates, but it has been a great investment for me. And then you can also start investing in Lego with like a $16 set, $21 or some $20 set or so. I decided to get the Speed Champions one. It turned out to do quite well. I didn't start with this one, but after I was just recycling those profits back into my Lego investing business, I decided to branch out, and that's a great way to do it, to help add some diversity to your investing collection, to start with the theme that will do well, like Star Wars or maybe Harry Potter, and then just be able to grow your collection into a variety of different themes and minifigures, builds, just size of sets. Lots of ways to help diversify a Lego investing collection, and it's important to do that. But if you're just starting new, it's probably best to just stick with the themes that are reliable, safe investments. And I've generally found those, like I mentioned earlier, to be Lego Star Wars and Lego Harry Potter. I've had some Lego Speed Champion sets that have done quite well, but in general, it's just those two themes that perform quite well. And that can be a great way to start investing in Lego. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.